The Dutch physicist Christian Huygens believed that light was in fact a wave. He was a contemporary of Newton, and he was able to establish his wave theory in opposition to Newton's. But the proof took more than 100 years. In what is known as the double-slit experiment, the Englishman Thomas Young proved that light behaved like waves on the surface of water. It is bent in narrow slits and forms interference patterns. Long-wave light is red. Outside the visible range, we know this is infrared light. We feel it on our skin as heat, but this heat radiation can also be made visible. Using a thermal image camera, we can see minute thermal differences. As the light waves become shorter, the colors change, from red to orange, to blue to purple. And also here, light becomes invisible at a certain wavelength. Light with very short wavelengths include the ultraviolet rays and X-rays, which have an even shorter wavelength and are no longer considered light, just like the radioactive rays at the open end of the electromagnetic spectrum. At the blue end of the visible spectrum was one of the final unsolved mysteries of classical physics, the ultraviolet catastrophe. Max Planck solved it, ushering in a new era with the incidental quantizing of rays.